rainforest in our topic lessons, and today we're going to take you on a journey to explore the wondrous creatures and the challenges they face.
Get ready to travel through the lush greenery, hear the calls of exotic animals, and meet some fascinating characters along the way.
Whoa, we finally made it into the Amazon rainforest.
So humid, no wonder why so many amazing plants and animals thrive in this environment.
Wait, what's that sound? It's the rainforest coming to life. Let's take a closer look. Rainforest. I'm home for eagles, bats, and other animals, and the tallest trees that reach for the sun.
I form thick leaves of the rainforest. Sloths, monkeys, and brightly colored parrots love it.
It's dark and not word in it. Jaguar snakes and tree frogs come from my dense branches.
Down here, some insects, ants, and even the largest snake in the world, the anaconda.
Some of the most incredible animals on Earth. Let's meet a few of them.
I have a big colorful beak that helps me eat the insects. I love playing with canopy.
I have a macaw, one of the most colorful birds in the rainforest. I have it comb because that helps me crack an open heart naturally.
I'm the top predator of the rainforest. I can swim, climb, and hunt in the dark. Fun fact. Unlike most cats, I love the water and I often hunt in rivers and lakes. Don't touch me, my skin is toxic, keeping me safe from predators. I am a howler monkey and I make the loudest howl in the rainforest. My howl can be heard 3 miles away. Fun fact, I use my tail like an extra hand to grab onto branches.
I move very, very slowly, but I spend most of my life in the trees.
Fun fact, I can turn my head almost all the way around, which is dangerous.
Did you know that the Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the earth?
That's because it produces 20% of the world's oxygen.
It also provides medicine that help fight diseases.
And it's home to over 10 million species of plants, animals, and insects.
Deforestation is destroying millions of trees every year.
Animals are losing their homes, and the plant is losing its oxygen supply.
We need to save the rainforest. We can do small things to help, like using less paper and recycling,
Buying products that help protect the environment.
Supporting organizations that plant trees and save wildlife.
Reason stop the sloths asleep and snoring. It's showering and soaking, little frogs are croaking, great forest sounds are all around, hear the monkeys jumping. It's drizzling and sunny, gorillas think it's funny. It's very warm and that's the norm, so fun to be a monkey. It's foggy, it's spitting, the two can't find it fitting. The sloths will sleep while frogs will eat and parrots keep on singing. The rainforest precious, we love it and its wetness. We must defend and be a friend of nature and its treasures.
Rainforest! Every tree matters!
Before you can hear from the reaction that we were super impressed with your assembly today. Oh, we can see them. That was lots of fun. Put your hand up, primary, if you've enjoyed the assembly today. Lots of hands up. I learned again this week lots of new facts, so thank you very much, because even for the teachers, we get to learn new things in our class assemblies. I love the costumes. Thank you, parents, so much, and teachers for all of the collaboration. Don't they look amazing? Okay? Really good. Then we have students who have put in a lot of effort to learn their lines and to rehearse. You knew exactly what you were doing, and I really like the song at the end where it said it was raining, it's pouring, because it hasn't stopped raining and pouring here, has it? So, year 4, again, could we give you another round of applause, please? Before I know that we have 2 special people to thank you, your teachers. We've got Miss Ross at the back there, and we've also got Mr. Gordon. Let's give them a